Remember, we're going to use an inverse operation. That just means doing the opposite to solve these simple one-step equations. This is a positive 2, and we've got to get it away from the w, so we'll do the inverse, which is subtract 2. Do it on both sides of the equation, keep it nice and balanced. And so 2 minus 2 goes to 0, and negative 12 minus 2 goes to negative 14. Since it's m minus 4, it's the same thing as if it was a negative 4, so just add 4 to it, and that would make it go to 0. But then keep the balance of the equation, okay? So m would equal 13. Not a big deal if we start throwing decimals into it. It's the same thing. This is a negative 2.1, so add 2.1 to both sides. And this cancels out. That's the whole reason that we're adding 2.1 to get that w to go into the side of an equation all by itself. And then 12 plus 2.1 is 14.1, or 14 and 1/10. Over here, it's a positive 13, so let's just subtract 13 to make it go away. That'll free up the n all by itself. But then to keep the balance, we're going to have to do the same thing over here. And be careful, a negative minus another number, negative 14 minus 13 would make it negative 27. So this is very, very tricky. It usually causes problems for even high school students if they haven't mastered it yet. Let's just say this is 1/2 down here. Let's just say this is 6/7, negative 6/7. And let's say this is negative 1/5. And let's just say this is, let's see what I want it to be, 2/3. Okay. So now let's look at these last two equations that we have and where we're putting the fractions to use here. It's still the same basic idea. We need to get t by itself. So let's go ahead and pull the t down because I'm not going to do anything to it. But since I'm adding 1/2, or it's a positive 1/2, let's just subtract 1/2. And whether you like fractions or not, any fractions subtracting or adding its inverse is going to be 0. So I know this is 0 and the t is by itself. And now we're just going to subtract this right here. At this point, you might want to get scratch paper out, so that way you can actually work it out underneath. But it's negative 6/7 minus 1/2. Okay, so it's minus 1/2. Think of this as minus 1/2. Let's go through and get common denominators. 14 is what we'll use. So this will become a negative 12/14 minus 7/14. Don't forget to keep change. Get a different color here. So this stays the same. This will change to plus, and this will go to a negative. What is negative 12 plus negative 7? Negative 19 over 14. And 14 goes into 19 one time, so t equals negative 1, and we've got 5 left over. There's your answer. So all we're doing is using the same skills that we've already looked at before. This is a negative 1/5, so let's just add 1/5 to both sides. Negative 1/5 plus 1/5. If it helps you to kind of circle or box in the numbers that you're adding or subtracting, do it. It doesn't hurt anything. C equals, here we go, 2/3 plus 1/5. And let me just kind of clean this up over here so it doesn't bug you. Common denominator, 15. So go and multiply top and bottom to get that done. This will become 10/15. This will become 3/15. 10/15 plus 3/15 equals 13/15, and we're done. No need to simplify it. We're done.